Whoa. I'm pushing, spun it, trying to catch you. Oh, whoa, that was lucky. Well, folks, welcome to Netcruzer RC. I'm at Hobby Hideaway again for Wednesday night, Mini Z night. We're going out for the AAA Supertock, qualified P3 this week. This is the track layout. They're just in the C main of Superstock right now. We're going to go out with the MR04LM. I just came back from the Kingston trip with this car, and it's been working out quite well. I didn't really have to do anything to it. My setup worked for Kingston. I would have preferred to have a little bit more grip, but honestly, this is working out well. This is a 20 tire on the rear and weirdly enough, a box stock tire on the front, which has enough grip. I'm almost afraid to go to a softer tire because it'll become very hard to drive. This is a very nice, easy car to drive right now with the oil shock on top, the T-plate or the friction damper on top. I have a medium T-plate, weights, that's it. Front spring. I'm still on the 0 degree caster, I think. Caster camber, I don't remember, but you can get adjustable links for that. I'm still on the box stock front end geometry, and I'm racing with the Mazda 787B. Let's go out there in this A main, see if we can make this podium stick. All right, here we go. AAA Superstock. I am starting in third. Gotta see if oh no, that's unglued body clip. Oh no. I guess I could put that other body back on. Yeah, you can put your Lexan body on. Yeah. No, it's quicker to do this one. I have a yellow Corvette.
Does anybody have a screwdriver out to do the front end thing?
All right. What? Are you parked on the straight? Where are you?
No, just while we're racing.
Don't park?
Oh. Sorry, didn't pop.
So we're parking now?
Ready?
Oh my god!
Was I sleeping or were you just early?
Oh, I'm good.
Oh. And last. I am too timid.
Why?
I'm first there.
Oh, wait for you to get your ride. You don't buzzer, you know, the man.
I know, I was just letting you know.
Yeah, John.
Whoa. I'm pushing, spun it, trying to catch you. Oh! Oh, there it was. Now I gotta defend. Oh!
Oh no! Go!
Dodge and weave it. Oh, got stuck on the wall. I think my body's popped a bit too. Body's dragging a little. Just a little though. Whoa, leader. Whoa, I went to the outside. I just didn't communicate it. It's over now. Now I'm a friggin' lap down. Trying to let the leader by. Screwed ourselves. Get off the wall. I'm just letting everyone by now. Whatever. Everyone's laps up on me.
What's the...
Oh, Jesus.
Out there?
Whoa!
What's What's the laps though?
Oh, it's 46 for you, Chris 43, Steven 43.
I'm out the top of my body up.
The top drivers are Dean Boudreau in first place with 27 laps, followed by Chris Reed in second place with 26 laps, followed by Steven in third place with 25 laps.
All right, I got my laps back because he
Fourth place
popped the body.
4 laps, followed by Chris in fifth place with 23 laps.
Oh. Well, he's already got his 1 lap back. If he passes me again, I'll be back to last again. I'm being way too cautious through that in-road section, but as you saw, when I come on the power too abruptly, it'll spin out on me.
Oh.
1 minute left. After 4 minutes, 1 second. The top drivers are Dean Boudreau in first place with 37 laps, followed by Chris Reed in second place.
Ah! Whoa!
Followed by Steven in third place with 33 laps. Followed by John Denny in fourth place with 32 laps. Followed by Chris in fifth place with 30 laps.
We're magnets to each other.
I thought he was good there.
I'm lucky my body's staying on. It's definitely popped up a little.
When I played 2 bodies in 1 race.
Oh, did I get clipped? Yeah, we're already done. We're done.
Yay, I did better in
What's that? Dean, Chris. Oh, you got it. Congrats, buddy. Good job. Good job. 47 laps.
to figure out.
Man, I know. I saw, and I think I was the last person to touch you on by, but it was such a light tap. I was like, in my head for a second, should I wait? Should I wait? That'll be a long wait. I just kept going. Yeah, I think you got hit like 3 times, and then I went by and just like knocked it that little bit more out, and then it just boop, just popped.
Came off good too. And everything's fine.
Yeah,
Although I did break.
yeah.
Sorry about that.
Right? It just popped that glue off.
Okay.
Yeah, mine was popping up too. Anyway, 4th place, not last, but yeah, I came close. Like half up. I was kind of like riding around like this for a little bit. Anyway, managed to hold on to it and keep going till the end. All right, guys, if you enjoyed the video, hit that like button. If you're not here to subscribe, you want to talk to me, leave a comment down below. As always, thanks for watching. Well, folks, on the Netcruzer RC, we are going out for box stock A main. I'm starting in 4th position. Didn't get TQ this week, that's for sure. The car is coming off a weekend race from Kingston. I kept it on the same setup, so I had to just dial up my rates. Dial down steering exponential, dial up steering rate. I left it on the front red soft spring. It's on a full soft setup. I don't necessarily like that, but it's getting around okay. And I didn't want to change it. So now we're going out for the A main.
Turn my car on.
I've done that before.
What, did you walk over and turn it on after?
Wow. You gotta jump down off the stage and do it.
Dean Boudreau with the TQ. Is that your MR04 with the MR03 front end?
An MOR2.
No, I said 4. I said
know,
4
I
with
said
it.
2.
Yeah, you did. I was like, wow, that's an old car.
Yeah, man.
Okay, everybody ready?
Yeah. Decided to do that first one.
Oh, I even slowed down.
Wah! Little Robin's racing. Little Robin. Oh, there you go. Karma. Now I'm in last.
Yep, man.
How'd that happen? Whoa. That was a good block. Inadvertent block, but. My stock car is so different from my AAA now, I have to like relearn it every time on how much throttle I can give. With this thing, you can almost go full throttle for the whole track. Have to let off there. Full throttle, let off. Full throttle, full throttle, full throttle, full throttle, full throttle, let off. Oh my gosh! I sorry, man. That was brutal. These bodies are strong.
Thank you.
I think I'm in last again. After that collision, I probably am.
The top drivers are in first place with 18 laps, followed by Chris in second place with 17 laps, followed by Chris in third place with 16 laps, followed by John Payne in fourth place with 16 laps.
I'm not in last.
Followed by Stephen in fifth place with 16 laps.
But if that yellow gets ahead of me again, I will be. And he's pushing. I'm allowed to block him. Ah! Sorry. Oh, no. I lost my battle for last.
One second, I'll let you buy right now.
The top drivers are in first place with 27 laps, followed by Andy in second place with 26 laps, followed by Chris in third place with 25 laps, followed by Stephen in fourth place with 25 laps, followed by John Wayne in fifth place with 55 laps.
You see that?
Yep.
That was quick.
How did I not see that?
When I lost it. Lost it. Man,
Oh, not in last anymore. Yay. Back up in the fourth. I got to keep the yellow behind me. Groover's in the lead. There you go. Let him by. I just can't slow down too much because that yellow R8 is fast. I'm only getting by him when he crashes. Oh, whoa, that was lucky.
First place with 36 laps, followed by Andy in second place with 35 laps, followed by Chris in third place with 34 laps, followed by John Payne in fourth place with 34 laps.
Confirmed, up in the fourth now.
Followed by Stephen in fifth place with 34 laps.
No!
Oh, that might have been for position. I might be up in the third now. Oh, he got clipped. Were you laps up? Oh. Oh, I did it! Yeah, when you parked it, I was like, I didn't know if we were on the same lap or not.
Keeping you behind me.
I know. That was a good run for a while there, Chris. That was good. Oh, I got a podium in the end. Man, for how much of that race I held in last, I am stoked for a third place finish. Getting stuck on the side just kills your run. That's what happened. He got stuck, I got by. He didn't have enough time to make it back. I had definitely had slower overall laps. Anyway, if you enjoyed the video, hit that like button. If you're new and here, subscribe. You want to talk to me, comment down below. As always, thanks for watching.